start off with the brows, and you're just going to brush them down. And then I'm using ShadowSense, which is a cream to powder shadow, and this color is a little bit more of a brown. It's called rustic brown, and so it's a neutral brown without too much redness. Go ahead and take your angle brush and just draw in the line up top, angle it down, and then I'm just going to brush my brows back into shape because I've got the top line already, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the bottom. And just fill in the gaps. And then just go ahead and brush it into place.